In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download audio file from Speechify. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Speechify website. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your saved projects and audio files. This process is very quick, and it's especially helpful if you've already generated audio before and just want to download it to your device. After you're inside Speechify, look for your library. This is where your previously created audio projects are stored. If you've generated audio in the past, you should be able to find it here. Take a moment to browse through your saved projects and locate the one you want to download. If you have several files, it may help to identify the correct project before opening it so you don't download the wrong audio by mistake. Once you've found the right project, click on it to open it. This will bring you into the project view where you can access more options related to that specific audio file. From here, look for the File button. Depending on your screen size or the version of the site you're using, this button may appear in a menu or along the top area of the project. Click on the File button and then select the Download option. After that, choose Audio. This tells Speechify that you want to save the project as an audio file to your computer or device. Once you click it, the download should begin automatically, although in some cases you may be prompted to choose a save location first. And that's it. Once the download is complete, you can open the file from your Downloads folder and use it however you need. If the file doesn't appear right away, give it a few seconds and check your browser's download manager.